Open section sample lines create.dwg, which is located in the Tutorials Drawings folder. Click Home tab Profile and Section Views panel Sample Lines. At the Select an Alignment prompt, press Enter. In the Select Alignment dialog box, select Centerline 1. Click OK. The Create Sample Line Group dialog box is displayed. This dialog box defines the characteristics of the sample line group. The templates shipped with Autodesk Civil 3D contain predefined line styles and line label styles for the sample lines. In the top portion of the Create Sample Line Group dialog box, specify the following parameters. Sample line style, road sample lines. Sample line label style, name and section marks. Under Select Data Sources to Sample, verify that the sample checkboxes are selected for all entries in the table. Data sources may include surfaces, corridor models, and corridor surfaces. Each surface and corridor surface results in a single cross-sectional string. Using the corridor model as a source includes all of the points, links, and shapes in the model. Set the section styles to the following. Note: you can double-click a style cell in the table to select the section style. E.g., existing ground. Corridor 1 all codes. Corridor 1 top, finished grade. Corridor 1 datum, finished grade. Click OK. The Sample Line Tools toolbar is displayed. A Specify Station prompt is displayed on the command line. On the toolbar, click the arrow next to the Sample Line Creation Methods button. Click from Corridor Stations. This option creates a sample line at each station found in the corridor model. In the Create Sample Lines from Corridor Stations dialog box, specify the following parameters. Left swath width, 150. Right swath width, 150. Click OK. The sample lines are created, and the Sample Line Tools toolbar is available for defining additional lines, if desired. Close the Sample Lines Tools toolbar. Open Sections Views Create.dwg, which is located in the Tutorials Drawings folder. In Tool Space, on the Settings tab, expand the Section View Group Plot Styles collection. Select the basic style. Right-click. Click Edit. In the Group Plot Style dialog box, click the Display tab. Under Component Display, in the Print Area row, change the color to red. These colors make it easy to identify the extents of the sheet, as well as the portion of the sheet that contains the section views. You will observe these components when you create the section views later in this exercise. Click OK. Specify basic section view parameters. Click Home tab Profile and Section Views panel. Section Views drop-down, create multiple views. In the Create Multiple Section Views wizard, on the General page, specify the following parameters. Select Alignment, Centerline 1. Sample Line Group Name, SLG1. Station Range, User Specified. Start, 0 plus 00.00. End, 10 plus 00.00. Section View Style, Road Section. Click Next. Specify a plot style and a layout template. On the Section Placement page, you specify how the section views are displayed and arranged in the sheets. Select a template, viewport scale, and the group plot style. Under Placement Options, select Production. Note: the Draft option creates section views in the current drawing only. You cannot generate sheets from draft section views. Under Template for Cross-Section Sheet, click. In the Select Layout as Sheet Template dialog box, click. In the Local Template folder, make sure that Civil 3D, Imperial, Section.dwt is selected. Click Open. In the Select Layout as Sheet Template dialog box, under Select a Layout to create new sheets, select Arch D Section 40 Scale. Click OK. On the Create Multiple Section Views wizard, under Group Plot Style, select Basic. Click Next. Specify the section view offsets. On the Offset Range page, under Offset Range, select Automatic. Notice that the left and right values are 150. This is the sample line swath width value that you specified in Exercise 1, Creating Sample Lines. Click Next. Specify the height of the section views. On the Elevation Range page, specify the following parameters. User Specified, selected. Height, 100.000 foot. Section Views Height option, follow a section. Select section, e.g. These settings specify that all section views will be 100 feet tall and the elevation will follow the e.g. surface elevation. Click Next. Specify the sampled sections and labels. The Section Display Options page specifies the object and label styles for the sampled objects. In this exercise, you will suppress the labels. On the Section Display Options page, in the Clip Grid column, click the Corridor 1 top row. In the EG row, click the value in the Change Labels column. In the Select Style Set dialog box, select No Labels. Click OK. Repeat steps 2 and 3 to apply the No Labels style to the Corridor 1 top and Corridor 1, Datum Surfaces. Click Next. Specify the data band settings. On the Data Bands page, under Select Band Set, select Major Station. In the Set Band Properties area, specify the following parameters. Surface 1, Corridor 1, Top. Surface 2, Corridor 1, Datum. Create and examine the section views. Click Create Section Views. At the Identify Section View Origin prompt, select a point in the top viewport. Zoom into one of the sheets. Groups of section views are arranged inside two rectangles. You specified the color of the rectangles at the beginning of this exercise. The blue rectangle represents the extents of the sheet. The red rectangle represents the extents of the printable area in which the section views are placed. When you create section sheets, the area between the red and blue rectangles contains the title block, border, and other information that is contained in the plan production template you selected. You will create section sheets in the Creating Section Sheets exercise. Zoom into one of the section views.